Welcome to Factoville. Today, we're uncovering the magical science behind rainbows. Rainbows are one of nature's most stunning displays. But how do they actually form? It all starts with sunlight, which is made up of different colors of light. When sunlight enters a raindrop, it bends, or refracts, because the water is denser than air. Inside the drop, the light reflects off the back surface and then refracts again as it exits. This process separates the light into its individual colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. But why do we see a circular arc? Each droplet acts like a tiny prism, and when millions of them refract light at the same angle, we see a rainbow. The angle between the incoming light and the refracted light is about 42 degrees, which is why rainbows appear when the sun is low in the sky. Interestingly, every person sees their own unique rainbow, because the exact droplets of water you see are different from those someone else sees. Sometimes, you might even see a double rainbow. This happens when light reflects twice inside the raindrop before exiting. The second rainbow appears above the primary one and has its colors reversed. Rainbows can even appear at night. These are called moonbows and are caused by the light of the moon rather than the sun. Next time you see a rainbow, you'll know it's not just a beautiful arc of colors, but a fantastic interplay of light and water droplets. Thanks for joining us on Factoville. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing science facts. Stay curious.